block, to obstruct or hinder. Block, to obstruct or hinder. Bloom, to flourish or produce flowers. Bloom, to flourish or produce flowers. Blossom, to come into bloom or develop fully. Blossom, to come into bloom or develop fully. Blot, to absorb or remove with a blotting action. Blot, to absorb or remove with a blotting action. Blow, to expel air forcefully or strike with force. Blow, to expel air forcefully or strike with force. Bludgeon, to strike with a heavy club or blunt object. Bludgeon, to strike with a heavy club or blunt object. Blunder, to make a careless or foolish mistake. Blunder, to make a careless or foolish mistake. Blur, to become indistinct or unclear. Blur, to become indistinct or unclear. Blush, to become red in the face from embarrassment or shyness. Blush, to become red in the face from embarrassment or shyness. Board, to get on or enter a vehicle or ship. Board, to get on or enter a vehicle or ship. Boast, to brag or speak with excessive pride. Boast, to brag or speak with excessive pride. Boil, to heat a liquid until it bubbles or cook in boiling water. Boil, to heat a liquid until it bubbles or cook in boiling water. Bombard, to attack continuously with bombs or gunfire. Bombard, to attack continuously with bombs or gunfire. Bond, to form a close relationship or connection. Bond, to form a close relationship or connection. Bonus, to provide extra or additional benefits. Bonus, to provide extra or additional benefits. book, to reserve or schedule. Book, to reserve or schedule. Boost, to lift or raise. Boost, to lift or raise. Boot, to kick or start forcibly. Boot, to kick or start forcibly. Border, to surround or be adjacent to. Border, to surround or be adjacent to. Borrow, to take or use temporarily with the intention of returning. Borrow, to take or use temporarily with the intention of returning. Bow, to bend forward at the waist as a sign of respect or greet. Bow, to bend forward at the waist as a sign of respect or greet. Box, to enclose in a container or fight using fists. Box, to enclose in a container or fight using fists. Brainwash, to indoctrinate or manipulate someone's thoughts. Brainwash, to indoctrinate or manipulate someone's thoughts. Branch, to divide into smaller sections or extend outward. Branch, to divide into smaller sections or extend outward. Brand, to mark with a distinguishing symbol or label. Brand, to mark with a distinguishing symbol or label. Brave, to face danger or adversity courageously. Brave, to face danger or adversity courageously. Brawl, to fight or quarrel noisily. Brawl, to fight or quarrel noisily. Braze, to join medals using a torch or filler medal. Braze, to join medals using a torch or filler medal.